Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone, update your Pixel, and use the factory charger. Once done, open Settings Battery and find Adaptive Charging. Toggle it on. You should also set a usual sleep or plug-in time and clock so the system can predict your schedule. Do this now so the phone begins collecting data. The feature needs that pattern to delay the final charging phase and reduce battery wear. From here, leave the phone plugged in overnight for the first learning cycle. You now focus on training the algorithm. Charge the phone overnight, ideally for 3 to 5 consistent nights, so the Pixel learns when you unplug. Make sure the screen stays off and avoid heavy activity or system updates during that window, because unexpected use confuses the prediction. Once the phone begins to hold at around 80% and then top off near your wake-up time, you'll see the benefit. The system times the final charge to finish when you typically unplug. You finish by verifying consistent behavior. Check across several mornings that the phone reaches full charge just before you unplug. If the pattern is off, first reboot the Pixel and reconnect the original charger. You'd be surprised how often that clears temporary sensor or software states. If problems persist, clear the feature's learning data in battery settings so it can relearn. And if nothing changes after a reset, test with another known good cable. Hardware faults can mimic prediction failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.